Right here. Yes, sir. Guess who's back? Even though I never left, I'm here. Dripment. Right now, I'm showing you a Reese bass. I was watching Moonboy's new tutorial, and he showed a lot of cool basses. He kind of went fast, but I'm gonna re-show you this Reese bass that I think is really helpful. It's going to be useful in all genres, right? Bass music, EDMs, drum and basses. Right now I made a drum and bass song. Let's check it out. Right here. Sick. So we're going to be making this sound. Keep in mind there's a sub playing with it right now. And that's just a Dripment clean sub with a pedal on it. The notes we got on the Reese's, or we're playing the A2. Usually when you make a Reese, you're just using a couple of saw waves and calling it a day. But that's not what we're going to do today. We're going to add movement with our Reese and make it really thick and big. And I'm going to show you how to post-process it as well. First thing you want to do is open up Serum, grab basic shapes for both of your oscillators, 2 saw waves, -2 octave on both of them. But on the second oscillator, move the fine up to about 51. You could even do like 69 if you want, because this is just like detuning it, making it a little phasey. All right. And then what you're going to do is you're going to make sure the levels are at 75. Get a regular LFO here, make this shape, little shark fin, put it at a bar, and then we're going to be sounding like this. That sounds pretty cool, but we need to add our effects to make it the coolest. So what we're going to do is go to the filter section, get an MG low. Cutoff's at 638. Resonance at 27. Drives at 37. Next, we're going to get an EQ and start moving it with these frequency knobs. This frequency is at 2032. This frequency is at 210. And then you're going to get the LFO and then put it on the frequency, put it up 33, and then put this one down 45. Make sure the notches are turned on. Starting slight movement. Now with the phaser, you're going to turn this on, and we're going to turn all the knobs to the left side. Frequency is at 29. You can mess with this frequency knob. Rate set 0.08. Phase is at 217. This is going to put us in a different range. I want to turn the post-processing off. So then you're going to add a compressor next. Multi-band, gains at 12.9, thresholds at -22. Okay, that's what it's going to sound like with no post-processing when you're finished with the patch. And then at 0, we're getting about that level. We're going to turn down to -2.4, and then we're going to add OTT. Regular OTT, just 6 decibels, 28%, times at 437. Also, I wanted to mention the portamentos on always, the glide. Then you're going to add a glue compressor. Threshold 10.5, negative, 6.67 makeup. Attack is all the way down. Release is at 0.4. Ooh, and if you could feel it like it's moving, but we're still, basically mono. Add this EQ because we're going to leave room for the sub. And then to end it off, the Dripment stereo effects to put it on both sides and in the middle. Off, on. And then if you add an auto filter, then you can start messing like this. And there you go, the Reese bass that you've always wanted. This is the best Reese bass. Remember, like, subscribe, get this full project file in the Patreon. But if you want this actual sound for free, links in the description. Enjoy, guys. Peace out. Later. Peace.